Hello children, welcome back to Max Make Easy. Let's continue with decimal fractions. Exercise 4C Part 1. Multiply 0.87 by 10. This is a decimal number and we are going to multiply this decimal number with 10. So you are going to follow this method only when you are going to multiply the decimal number with 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, all should be zeros. Only in that case you can apply this shortcut, children. We are going to just move this decimal point towards the right side, towards our right side. Firstly, we are going to multiply these two numbers. So when you multiply these two numbers, previously the point is over here, right? Here is the point. And when you multiply it, this point will move towards the right side. It will move only one point towards the right, because look here, it is having only one zero. How many zero it is there? Just one zero. So we are going to move this decimal point only one place towards the right. So this decimal point will move towards the right side of one point and our answer will be 8.7. Right? Let's move on to the next one. 2.948 by 100. Now we are going to multiply these two numbers. And how many zeros are over here there, children? Two zeros. So this is how the point is. Point is after the 2. Right, the point is over here, so we need to move this point 2 digit on the right side, since we are going to multiply with 100 and it is having two zeros. So this point will be moving 2 point aside towards the right side. Now similarly, 6.4 into 1000, 6.4 into 1000. So when you multiply this, now where is the point, children? Point is between the 6, right? So point is over here. Here is the point and this point will be moving 3 decimal places towards the right. From here it will be moving 3 point or towards the right side, and you can just place the zeros and just move the point 3 sides towards the right side. I hope it's clear. 5.8 by 4. Here you don't need to move the point, you just ignore this point and just multiply 58 into 4. You just forget about that point. In first three it is having tens, hundreds and thousand, so you are just moving the decimal point. Here there is no tens or hundreds or thousand, completely it's an integer, right? Integer without any zeros. So we are just considering it has 58 and 4 and just normally multiply it. 58 fours are, right? It will be 232. Now look here, children. After decimal point in this 5.8, how many numbers are there? Only one. After point, it is only one number, that is 8, right? So 1. And here it is 4. You don't have any decimal point. So how many decimal points totally? It is only 1. So from this point, from right, just let me take my pen. From right, count one number. From right, just move one number. From right, we are going to move one number, so it will be over here. Just let me take my lace pen. Yes, from here, just imagine the point over here, and from here it will move over here. Only one point, one place towards the left, since only one point is one decimal place is there after the point. Let's take one more example so that you can understand it clearly. 16.32 by 28. So we are going to multiply 16.32 into 28. Here, this point, after the point, how many numbers are over here? It is 32. Two numbers are there. And here there is no decimal point. So it is 0. So you are having only two decimal point. Just multiply it 1632 into 28 and this is what you get. Right? 54,696 you will get it. And how many decimal points it's there? It's only 2. Right? So from just imagine the point near the 6. Near the 6 and move it towards the left side 2 points. Sorry, 2 places. So it will be near the 6 and 9, between the 6 and 9. You are moving 2 steps, 2 decimal places from right to left. Now our next question, even here you have to multiply, forgetting, just neglecting the decimal point, and here after this decimal point you are having 3 numbers, 3 places, right? And here there is no decimal point at all, so you can just neglect it. So totally there are 3 places, just remember as 3. Now just multiply 5037 into 8 and this is what you get. Now how to place a decimal point after multiplying it? How many places we were having? 3 places after the decimal point. So just imagine the point after 6 and move 3 point towards the left side. So our point will be 40.296. I hope it's clear. 4.6 by 2.1. Here the decimal places is on both the 9 numbers. Both are in decimal numbers. Then here just multiply 46 into 21. Right? This is what we get. When you multiply 46 into 21, this is what you get. And here after the decimal point, it is one number, and after the decimal point, even here it is one number. Right? So total 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 places, right? So even here, just imagine the point after the 6 over here and move the point 2 times, 2 places. That is, you will get it on 9.66. You will get it as 9.66. I hope it's clear. You have understood it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for many more problems on decimal fractions. Thanks for watching.